Beloved CMD and directors, so please come on the dais, sir. Today celebrations are going in a very festive mood. All the children of Ukkunagaram, sir, welcome, sir, and employees, they are totally involved in this formation celebrations by participating in competitive exams and everything. And this is a unique way of celebrating RINL Formation Day. On this occasion, I request our beloved CMD to bless the children, sir.
Directors, CEO and CISF Commandant of the DAS, all the senior officers and employees, ladies and gentlemen, children. It gives me really great pleasure that for the first time we have organized on the Formation Day celebration certain competitions for the children and for the employees also. And it has come to my notice that a lot of enthusiasm was there in the involvement in such competitions. And I extend my my congratulations and my greetings to all of you on this eve of our celebration for the RINL Formation Day, and I wish you all the best in all your endeavors. I find the exhibition really, whatever the children have done along with the teachers, under the guidance of the teachers and the seniors, really heart-touching, and certain themes also has given me a lot of inputs, and I find they are highly scientific and giving input knowledge. So my best wishes to the schools, the teachers present here, and their principals who have taken this much hardship to come forward to have this exhibition. And my best wishes on this occasion. Thank you so much.
Manisha,
First prize in Telugu slogan. It was conducted in 3 languages, Telugu, English and Hindi. So Telugu slogan, first prize, Mr. R.V.K. Chaudhary, Senior Foreman, LMMM Department. Congratulations again. Garu, Senior Chargeman, CRMP Department. Congratulations. A big round of applause. Please keep the applause coming. Thank you. Third prize, DGM PPM Department. Congratulations, sir. Consolation prize, Mr. B. Bhanu Kiran, Assistant Manager, SMS Department. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. English slogans, Ms. D. Usha Shri, Manager, Vigilance Department, first prize in slogan. Congratulations, ma'am. Ms. P. Sai Sri, Assistant Manager, MM Department, second prize in slogan competition. Congratulations. Mr. M. Venugopal, Senior Manager, PPM Department, third prize in slogan competition, English. Congratulations, sir. Consolation prize in English slogan, Mr. Harbhajan Singh, DGM BF Department. Congratulations. slogans, Mr. B.R. Mahapatra, Master Technician, WRM Department, first prize. Mr. A.K. Pal, Manager, Traffic, second prize in Hindi slogan. Congratulations. Yes, sir. Mr. Harbhajan Singh, DGM Blast Furnace Department. Congratulations, sir. Hindi slogan, third prize. Congratulations. Consolation prize, Hindi slogan, Mr. U. Dharanidhar, AGM, Internal Audit and Stock Verification. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, sir.
एक्सटेंशन कर सकते हैं, आपका ले जाने में प्रॉब्लम है तो आप एक्सटेंशन कर सकते हैं, उसको लगा के सर आप स्मोक भी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं। जब एक साइड में लगता है इसके साथ में सर नॉर्मली वाटर टेंडर होने से उसके साथ फॉर्म नहीं आता है सर, तो आपका बीच में आपका ये यूज़ करना है सर। मिनी फॉर्म जनरेटर है आपका 10x ब्रांचेस वगैरह है, उसको दो होस लाइन के बीच में कनेक्ट करके आपको बेंसर इफेक्ट से ड्रम से होस को फॉर्म को साफ करना है। कलेक्टिव प्रेसिंग है सर, मतलब दो होस लाइन को सर आपका प्रेशर बढ़ाने के लिए एक लाइन कटेगी, इधर से दो होस लाइन दे देंगे, वन लाइन से प्रेशर बढ़ता है। ये तो पुराना मॉडल हो गया सर, HCO टू SCO। अभी नया वाला में तो आपका सब स्विच भी बाहर है सर। अभी भी यही है CO2 का जो वाटर आपका फॉर्म और डिसिप्लिन है तो वाटर को ही आपका एक लाइन से पंप से प्रेशर दे देगा, हाइड्रेट से प्रेशर दे देगा।
ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। पैनोरामा जो बनता है CSR actually you can see that competitions areas schools को वो लोग conduct करना है those vendors from the base and seriously जनकरा हमारे पास है ये सब पर्सनल प्रोडक्शन है सर, ये न्यूमेटिक एयरलिफ्ट मतलब इसको बैठ के ऊपर हाँ इसको कैपेसिटी 74 टन लिफ्टिंग कैपेसिटी अभी इसको एयर रिफ्लेक्ट किया हुआ है 1 इंच गैप में इसको हम लोग नॉर्मली बी एस सिलेंडर कलर सिलेंडर 74 टन